What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen not responding to touches issue on your Xiaomi phone. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart. Now after restarting, the screen will start responding, but if you are still facing the issue, then if you have installed any screen protector, then remove that protector, and after removing the protector, clean the screen with a clean cloth, and after that the screen not responding issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, tap on more connectivity options. Now here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that it will reset the mobile network settings, and after that the issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen not responding to touches issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.